Hey, what's up, YouTube? Got a question for you. I've lately been getting into, a little bit of circuitry and stuff, just wiring in general, and soldering is a big part of that. So I've been, I grabbed my soldering gun that I had a while ago, and been using this, but been having some problems. I'll show the soldering gun again, just so you guys know what it is. It also came with its own solder. I believe it's the rosin core. Yeah, and it's 96% tin and 4% silver. And so I'll show you my problem. Basically, whenever I go to make put some solder on the end of a wire, it just balls up on the actual solder. It'll just here's the solder right here. It'll ball up right on the end of there, and it won't actually go onto the wire. And oh, by the way, that the wire's just stripped, in case you guys are wondering. Anyways, all down here is all the little droplets that have come from the solder that have just fallen off, and they just all collected right below. And so yeah, I'll show you what I mean. Alright, make sure you guys can see that. Okay. Alright, now I just gotta let my soldering gun heat up. But every so often this will work, but I guess for the majority of the time it'll just ball up, and it's very annoying because it's very time consuming, and I just want to keep going with my circuitry. I don't want to get stuck on just the soldering and everything. So let me get some more solder right here. Alright. Make sure you guys can see that. Alright. So, here, let me get it. Alright. Here's the solder and everything. Just make sure it's heated up. Alright, it's heated up. See, it'll just ball up right there on the end as soon as it touches. So, that also makes it so I can't really tin my soldering gun, which makes things a lot harder too. But see, as I try to heat it up and stuff, won't really work too much. See, and it'll just drop at sometimes as soon as it just hits it. And other times I try to just heat up the actual wire and keep going from there. Try to get the wire hot enough so that it melts the solder. But if it does melt any, it's not much at all. And actually, surprisingly, that one worked a little bit, but that usually doesn't always happen. For the most of the time, it'll just ball up. And I was wondering if you guys had anything to say, anything to help me, because it's very frustrating and it's just very time consuming. And as you can see, I got a little bit of solder on there. Where is it? There it is. I got a little bit of solder on there, but let me take the flash away. And yeah, that happens sometimes, but most of the time it'll just ball up and just fall off. So yeah. So just wondering if you guys had any suggestions, tips, anything like that to help me. I'll take any suggestions. If it's I don't know, just anything. If I need to get a new soldering gun, or that's probably not even a problem. Maybe I just need to get new solder, different kind possibly, or just something different. But comment down below and just anything. I'll take anything. So yeah, thanks guys. Have a nice day.